For as long as I can remember, music has solved problems for me. When my mum passed, I would light a candle for her. I wouldn't say I'm deeply religious, but I've always loved how welcomed I was at church. I enjoy pushing myself. I'll never forget the first time I was shown bell ringing. The moment you feel the weight of the bell pulling back at you. You feel connected to the music. I've learned that there are thousands of bell towers across the UK. It's an amazing excuse to travel to places I never thought I would. I'm excited to see where this community takes me. And so can you.